Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another Vlogmas day. It's Friday, which is great. I'm freaking tired, man. I'm freaking tired. I just have not been sleeping well. I think it's the stress of like school and stuff. I feel like I'm gonna sleep like a baby once that's over. But at this point in time, I'm not sleeping like a baby. You know what I mean? I wanted to show you guys, this is how my hair came out. It actually looks really good. I'm very happy with how it's got some body and some kind of uniformed texture. I like that. This side is a little more like puffy, and that's because when I was reading the directions, it said to make sure you were working with damp hair, and I didn't do that anywhere else. So I was like, oh, maybe I should do it over here. And I did, and it's a little different, but it's fine, honestly. Now it's got some shape to it, some like kind of uniform style, and I like that. It's giving me very like Greek goddess, I don't know, like I would know Zeus or something. Anyways, today's task is to take care of my nails. I've been thinking about going back and getting them done again. Bubba, stop. Does anyone else's dog just like lick them incessantly? He's always licking my legs. Need to do my nails, and I was thinking like, I don't know, like I should do them, like get them done. But then I was like, I have all of these nails. Look at these. These are just the ones I'm considering. I have all these press-on nails because I was like a hardcore press-on nail person. I go through phases. And getting your nails done can be super expensive. And also, I don't know about anyone else, it's not enjoyable to me, like to get your nails done. You're sitting there and it's kind of uncomfortable, and I always feel like I'm just kind of like doing nothing. Like, I don't know, I'd rather do it myself and be able to watch whatever I want to watch or whatever. So I'm gonna show you guys. I have a bunch of like really fun nails from Kiss. Kiss has cute nails, but if you want like really cool designs and talent, Etsy has phenomenal nails. But you need to measure your nail beds, which always gets me in trouble because I never do that. There's these are a little shorter, but they're really fun. So this one is so summery. I don't think I want to do this one, but this one's kind of like icy, like icicly. So I was thinking about doing that. Kind of like they're so long for this current moment in time. Like, are they too long? Because I have to write a lot of papers between now and next Tuesday. And so I'm not gonna lie, I struggle with like super long nails if I just go from like this to long. So I might do these, which are blingy and fun, or I'll do these, which are more neutral, but they are like a matte. These are probably almond. They're not stiletto. I think these are maybe coffin. I'm gonna feel it out. Comment below which one do you think I'm gonna pick. This was my current set. You can't really see because all the gold foiling, but there's like a gold foil. I'll actually insert a picture. They're so cute. Time to fix these nails. So I took the top coat off. So now I have like every single at-home nail thing from Amazon. I got these little clips, and you just clip them on your nail. You put a piece of cotton soaked in pure acetone, and you let it sit for a minute. So I'm gonna do that with one hand and keep one hand mobile because I hate not having anything. So I'm kind of gonna do one at a time. I thought about cutting my nails, but I'm not sure yet. So I think I'm just gonna keep them. And for these, you guys, you don't need that much cotton. Maybe like half of a cotton ball, really probably a third. But I also put down this Amazon bag packaging thing just to like protect my workspace, because acetone is no joke. This will eat pretty much anything up. In order to do it well, or do it, make it a little easier, less messy, fill the lid up and then kind of take the cotton apart a little bit, dip it in, it soaks up super fast. Just lay it on top. And then you just put that on. Ta-da! You can also wrap you don't need these clips. You do the same thing by just using this in aluminum foil, which I've seen them do at the salon. Yeah, I'm gonna do this, and I'm watching a deep dive from Petty Page, and she is doing a video about BBW cults, lesbian cults on TikTok. So I don't know anything about it, but I'm gonna listen. So here's where we're at right now. I've gotten like most of the acrylic off, but not all of it. I left some of it on to keep my nails strong, but this one's broken, so I cannot wait to put my press-on nails on. So in order to get your nails to stay for a long period of time, and granted, I've never done this with acrylic before, like with a little acrylic on my nails, so I can tell you what works really great on natural nail beds. This usually works for like at least 2 weeks, especially if you're careful. I mean, if the longer the nail, I find the more likely it is to pop off. So just keep glue with you. I actually am gonna go with these blue ones. I tested out the other ones and they're actually too short. This nail kind of peeks through. The best way to get them to stay on for a long time is rough up the top of the nail after you wash your hands, right? Rough up the top of the nail. You want it really like gritty, so you want to use like the coarse side of a nail file, because what you're trying to do is create a bunch of grooves, and like all those grooves is where the nail glue will like sit in there. So just rough up the top of your nail really good. I also like to kind of focus on the sides too, like the edges, because that is where I find nails pop up the most. So just get it all rough. And then you want to use something to get the natural oils off your nails. And I like to use just straight alcohol. I've tried using acetone before. It does not work for me. I've also tried a professional no lift nail thing, but it also works terribly for me. So I like this, and I will just spray it on a clean paper towel, clean off my nails and all the like dust or anything like that, just get it all done so it's like a nice clean shape. And then I'll measure these out, pick out which ones I want, and use a brand new thing of nail glue, which this is not. I will keep like a used nail glue in my purse, that's fine, but something about brand new nail glue for a brand new set really helps. So brand new nail glue, I just get these. This is KDS nail glue. I get these from Amazon. Like 10 come in a pack for less than $10. And then right before I put these on, I spray my nails with the alcohol and just let it sit and don't touch it with anything. And that I find works like the absolute best. So I'm gonna do that and I'll show you guys the finished nails. Oh look, I got a little cotton in my hair. Okay, well, you know, wow. That is really, it's stuck in there. It's stuck in my edge control. Fine. All right, guys, the nails are done. Ooh, they look so good. I tried to wait, ideally, to get these, like keep them out of water or anything. Ideally for an hour. I only made about 40 minutes, then I'd pee, so I'd wash my hands. Ideally, try to wait, and they look great. And just be careful. You know, these are long for me anyways, so I'll just try to be careful with them. But I love like a new shine. Honestly, I wish I had like little rhinestones. I'd put them right here, but I don't, but they're still really cute. And now I'm gonna take literally 15 minutes. I'm gonna set a 15-minute timer and try to address the absolute chaos that is my whole office right now. Like, but while I do it, I'm gonna watch someone else clean their office or house. So I feel like solidarity, right? Okay, let's do it. It's nowhere near perfect, but it looks so much better in here. Just more mentally safe space for me to do my work. Now we're gonna make some lunch, or I'm gonna show you guys what I'm having for lunch, actually. I've got this Coke Zero seaweed snacks, which are really good. Please ignore the pan. I popped some of these bad boys in the microwave. These are wontons from Costco. They're super good. They're chicken and cilantro. They're delicious, you guys. They're so easy. All you do is like microwave them. You can also pan fry them. Be really good, and we'll have a working lunch. So yeah. Y'all, I'm so hype. Okay. Fundy Fridays, like my favorite YouTube channel. I donate to the Patreon and everything. They have a new video out about VeggieTales. The last 3 have been absolute bangers. Like I love all of their videos, but they did Dave Ramsey last week, which was a whole mess. And then they did Brittney Dawn the week before that. And they have just been coming out with like super fire content. So I think this is the channel I've recommended the most because it's brought me so much joy. If you guys are not following Fundy Fridays, like you have to, if you're interested in kind of the world of Christian fundamentalism and how that influences things they make and what they put out, what they're really doing. So anyways, just wanted to tell you. Bye.